Sorry. It is tape. Sticky.
Oh, you're so good at ripping that paper. Oh, is it strong? Here. Aunt Shelly taped it up good for you, huh? What is it?
A little boy.
A little boy? What's the little boy doing?
I'll see up.
What's he doing?
Look.
What's he doing?
Look at right here. We high.
Wait, hi? Is he bouncing?
Yeah, we high.
Is he bouncing?
Look it.
Oh, look it.
Look it. Look it.
Can you open it some more? Oh, Aunt Shelly taped that up too. Open up?
Okay.
Open up? Okay, let's open up right here.
You need scissors.
Yes, you do need scissors.
Scissors because we open. If you eat it mouse.
I hope this is the right end. It looks like a good end to try.
Yes, very good try.
Good try. Okay, Talia. Oh wait, one more place. Oops. Oh, don't bust that up.
And where's that?
No, don't bust that up. We have to put it together.
Right here.
What's that?
Everybody.
What is it? There's stickers. Ooh, more parts to the trampoline. Okay. Mommy's gonna have to figure out how to put this all together. What's that? Oh, they're pom-poms. They're like cheerleading pom-poms. Oh, it's the styrofoam, huh? Big styrofoam.
Oh,
Here. Take this plastic off. Can you pull this off? Pull, hold. Pull. There. Ooh. You're like a cheerleader. They say cheers and they shake their pom-poms. Those are called pom-poms. They're different from your little fluffy ones. Oh. Open up? Okay, let's put it together. Say thank you, Aunt Shelly.
Thank you, Aunt Shelly.
And Uncle Larry.
Hi, Larry.
And Cousin Marshall. You say Cousin Marshall? Marshall. They say Ryan.
Ryan.
And Zoe.
Sorry.
Say thank you. Look at the camera. Thank you. Go.